Hello skaters! Today we are going to work on 3 exercises on a circle that include counters, rockers, crossovers and mohawks. It's a fun way to warm up and improve your edges, power, quickness and twist position. We will start with a forward crossover followed by a forward inside rocker, immediately transitioning into a backward inside counter. Then step into left forward outside edge and repeat with 2 forward crossovers. After the second crossover, perform right forward inside rocker and immediately after that a right backward inside counter. Keep repeating this sequence on the circle multiple times. Make sure to work through your knees and ankles during the turns and extend your free leg after each push on crossovers. We are going to repeat the same pattern in the opposite direction. This time, start from a forward outside edge on the right foot, go into a couple of crossovers, and after the last crossover, glide on a forward inside edge on the left foot. Perform a forward inside rocker, then immediately a left backward inside counter. Step right away into a right forward outside edge and continue with crossovers. These exercises are designed for advanced skaters who have already learned rockers and counters. If you are a beginner, make sure to check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website styleskating.com. It includes in-depth tutorials and detailed step-by-step instructions covering everything from your first step on the ice to single jumps, basic spins, and variety of skating skills exercises. This course will help you build strong technique so you can progress to more advanced elements with confidence and ease. Our second exercise starts with a backward crossovers and includes a backward inside counter and a forward inside rocker. Begin with a backward crossover, glide on the left backward inside edge, then turn into a backward inside counter, immediately followed by a left forward inside rocker. After the rocker, push with your left foot to start the next backward crossover. After 2 backward crossovers, repeat the sequence, keeping consistent timing on each step and engaging your knees and ankles during the turns. Extend your arms to the side, look in the direction of your movement during crossovers, and stretch your free leg after each push. Always finish with a clean landing position. Next, we'll repeat the same exercise in the opposite direction. After 2 backward crossovers, glide on the right backward inside edge, execute a backward inside counter into a right forward inside rocker. Then push with the right foot to continue your crossovers. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Also, be sure to check the description below for details about my YouTube membership options, where you can contact me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on demand featuring the skating exercises of your choice. Moving on to our third exercise, which is designed to improve quickness and help you check your shoulder and hip alignment. We will start with a 3-step forward outside mohawk. Begin by gliding on a left forward outside edge, then step into a right backward outside mohawk, cross your left foot over to glide on a left backward inside edge, and then perform a left backward inside bracket. Step cross behind onto a right forward inside edge, then finish with a left backward inside mohawk. Push into a right backward outside edge, followed by a right backward outside bracket. After exiting on the right forward inside edge, immediately step again into the left forward outside 3-step mohawk and repeat the sequence. Make sure to check your hip and shoulder alignment before and after each mohawk and bracket and maintain quick, controlled timing throughout the exercise. You can find more beginner-friendly videos on how to learn brackets by clicking the link above or checking the description below. Now we are going to repeat the same exercise in the opposite direction. starting with a right forward outside 3-step Mohawk. Begin by gliding on a right forward outside edge, then step into a left backward outside edge and cross your right foot in front to glide on a right backward inside edge. From there, complete the right backward inside to forward outside bracket, step into a left forward inside edge with a cross behind, then finish with a left forward inside to right backward inside Mohawk. Push into a left backward outside edge and complete a left backward outside to forward inside bracket. Immediately after, push into a right forward outside 3-step Mohawk and repeat the full sequence. These exercises are quite advanced and require not only strong edge control, but also precise coordination, timing, and body awareness. If you have made it through all these sequences, you are definitely pushing your skills to the next level, and that's exactly what advanced training should do. These drills are fantastic for warming up your body while sharpening your technique. They train you to move efficiently on deep edges, link complex turns together smoothly, and maintain quickness while keeping your upper body aligned. Practicing them regularly will make your transitions cleaner, your step sequences more powerful, and your skating overall more controlled and confident. Always remember to practice both directions equally. Many skaters get comfortable in one direction, but true mastery comes from practicing on both directions and be balanced on both sides. If you are not quite ready for this yet, don't worry, every skater starts somewhere. You can build toward these skills step by step. That's exactly why I created my Figure Skating Foundations course on styleskating.com. So go to my website today and join our fast-growing community of skaters. Start from the very beginning and learn how to glide, stop, fall safely, and do your crossovers the proper way. Develop control on deep edges, balance through the spirals, shoot the ducks, and lunges. And then move on to learning jumps and spins in all the basic positions. This solid foundation will prepare you for more advanced exercises, helping you learn them with ease, proper technique, and full confidence on the ice. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, stay focused, and I will see you in the next video.